What if I told you you could have an AI coding assistant running locally on your machine for $0? No subscriptions, no API limits, just pure private code generation. Most people are paying $20 a month for Claude Pro or GitHub Copilot. But today, I'm showing you how to set up a local alternative using Ollama that saves you hundreds of dollars a year. And yes, it actually works. Let's dive in. Look, AI tools are amazing, but the costs add up. Claude Pro, Midjourney, Copilot, it's easily $100 a month. Step 1. Head to ollama.com, click download. I'm on Windows, but this works on Mac and Linux too. Run the installer. It's lightweight. Once it's done, you'll see this little llama icon in your tray. Right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. This prevents permission errors down the line. Click Install and let it run. I'll speed this up since it takes a minute. Perfect. Ollama is installed. Now, let's open it up. First time, it'll look empty. That's completely normal. Give it 2 to 3 minutes to load and boom, your model library appears. This is where the magic happens. You can download any AI model for free. No credit card, no subscriptions, just click and go. Now, let's install Claude Code. Head to the website, click the documentation link and scroll down. Here you'll see all the different OS versions. Simply copy the terminal code for your operating system and paste it in the terminal. To check whether Claude is successfully installed, open PowerShell and run the command Claude. This will open the Claude Code interface and display all the details there. Our next step is to head to the Ollama UI and install GPT-OSS20B, or whichever model you want to install to run Claude on. Once that is installed, open the Claude interface again. Here it shows that we are running Sonnet 4.6. Now we need to change that in order to run it without using an API. To do this, open the command prompt and type Ollama list. This will display all the available models that are downloaded and ready to use. Once we know which models we have, copy the GPT model name from the list, then type Claude-model and paste the model name after it. In our case, we are using the GPT model. Okay, now that it has switched the model to the one we chose, let's try it out. Oh, okay, it shows a login screen. Now this is where we are going to trick the system to use our model. Close everything and open up the command prompt once again. List out the Ollama models, then type nvanthropic_base_URL and point it to our Ollama localhost, which is http://localhost:11434. This is what we use for Windows. You may have to check the localhost configuration if you are using Mac. Now run the command. Next step, type env_anthropic_auth_token and add some text in there. Literally anything is fine. Now, an important step before opening Claude Code. Make sure we change our Ollama model. Type Claude-model and select the GPT one listed there, then run it. After that, you can run Claude. As you can see, we have full access to Claude for free, no tokens or anything. We can just start generating locally. I hope you found this useful and fun. If you did, please leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.